What's up, guys? How's it going? This is Seth, your chartist. Today is December 1st, 2024, as you can see here, and it's Sunday, 3:12 p.m. I will be analyzing Bitcoin. As I said, I was super duper busy, and now I've got some time. I'm gonna analyze Bitcoin. I am on daily charts, and if you do like the analysis, the price action, just make sure you follow me here on TradingView. My name is The Chaartist. You can also follow me on YouTube, X, Instagram, and TikTok. This is my X account where I have been actively posting trades, so you can follow me here as well. Let's start the analysis. Okay, I am on daily charts. I'm going to turn on the drawings, then I will break everything down for you. Okay, this is what it looks like. Okay, and then I'm going to explain everything to you. And the point here is that you need to find the best A plus setup. Okay, do not worry about anything. Your goal is to find the A plus setup. Okay, and then if it comes to your level, don't be scared. Okay, so firstly, yes, Bitcoin can do 100,000. I posted this on TradingView as well, that the goal is not to achieve and see that okay, it has at 100,000. So what? Are you making money, or are you just happy just because somebody is making money? Are you making money? First of all, ask that question to yourself. Second thing is that Bitcoin can do 100,000 or 101,000, but it is why is it scary? I'm going to explain you. First of all, if you look here, it is reacting currently. People who have done the course, they can easily relate to it. If you're not able to understand something, ask me in the comments and I will explain it to you. The whole thing here is this is a demand zone, which is an okay demand zone for 1:2. Okay, which is very okay for 1:2. So what happens here is I clearly said I'm going long. Why? Because of this demand zone. Okay, it has some rally candles here, and it comes here right into this base candle, the red one, and then boom, it goes up. Okay, now it is consolidating. Yes, it can break out, whatever. I don't really care if it breaks out or not. My goal is 100,000. I'll get out. Now it can do whatever it wants. Now this is used. Okay, this is used, and I will show you. Once used, we don't trade it. Okay, now the other demand zone below this one is this, and don't think that it's going to happen overnight. It's going to take a fall overnight. When you will least expect it, it will fall then, and whenever you're least expecting it to go up, it will go up then. Okay, you need to understand that. Now this is used. It has already given 1 is to 2. I'll show you. So if you entered here from this demand zone, stop loss would be somewhere here. Here, look here. Look at the RR. 1 is to 2 is already done. Okay, it can still go up to say 100,000. I'm expecting. Let me turn on my magnet. So it can go somewhere around here. Okay, let's say 100,000. So we'll be getting 1 is to 3, whatever. But I'm not. I'm just gonna exit there. Why? I will show you. Now I'll show you how to analyze everything. And I'll explain everything. So this is yearly charts, and imbalance came from here, $16,000. Okay, then you do see a demand zone here, you do see a demand zone here, and nothing else. This I'm switching time frames from here, so I'm on half yearly. Look here, this is the half yearly. I've marked it HYDZ, means half yearly demand zone. Then I'm going down. Then you can see quarterly here, and then quarterly is here also, but I haven't marked it here. Let me turn off the drawing so that this part would be very much clear to you. And this, don't forget, this candle is still live. So if there are 30 days left, so if we do see a wick like this, that means this is not a demand zone anymore. We don't mark live demand zones. Okay, so but I'm expecting it will consolidate, or that's why I've just temporarily marked it here. Okay, quarterly demand zone, but one quarterly is here. I've not marked it here, and then I'm gonna go down now. So I'm on monthly. One monthly is here. Let me turn off the drawing. So this is not actually a monthly demand zone because there are lots of these candles here. Okay, lot of these candles here means it's not a solid location. Though you do see a rally here, this is a breakout. There was a consolidation here, and boom, it broke out 37%. This is monthly time frame, by the way. Now you need to understand this, that this candle was made, this candle was actually made, so the imbalance came from here only. There are pending orders, buying pending orders sitting here. How strong they are, you don't know. But this location does not look that great to me, because a lot of candles like this, for look at the consolidation, the bigger the consolidation, the weaker the zone can be. Because see, one, so it started from here, March, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, almost 8 months, and in the ninth month it broke out. So you need to understand this. This is not a good location, an okay location. So now, if you are trying to understand these candles first, so if this is a red candle, price is going up, down, up, down, up, down. Finally, it comes down here. Look at this red candle. If you'll try to understand this particular red candle for the month of August 2024, it was a red candle till here. It started going up, probably because of the wick. Okay, this is a demand zone as well, so it started reacting probably from the wick. I'm not sure, probably from a daily or weekly demand, we'll figure that out. But this was a red candle, and this is negative 8.7%. So when it was here at 50,000, when it was a red candle below 50, what is the low of this candle? 49,577. I'm reading the data here. So the low was 49,577. So it was a red candle, but then it closed at 58. So almost $10,000 move came, and it pushed the prices up and closed around 58,967. So the major the major buying came from this wick. That is why I'm saying that, okay, forget this, don't go like this. And you need to understand that, see, the selling came from this candle. This was a green candle. It made a high of 73,794. Okay, then it made a small wick here, and then price started going down. This is consolidation on monthly time frame. So if I put a horizontal line here, okay, at the top of this wick here, so 73,774, say, I'm putting a horizontal line here. So price was not able to go above this line. Can you see for how many months? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this is the eighth candle. Okay, I'm including this, and there's still here this. So for 8, 9 months, 3, 3, 6, 7, 8 months, can the price was not able to break this. Then suddenly it goes up, and then there is another wick. Then in this month of this last month of November, it comes down, and then boom. So somebody is here. Okay, this wick is here. Let me turn on the drawings. Okay, there is a player that is like pending buying, bunch of pending buying orders that are sitting here, so they are strong. Now now if the trend is up right now, and there is a solid imbalance here on weekly, but you need to understand that we have to consider the trend when price is coming down here. It does not mean that it's going to take a free fall. Don't get that into your head. Understand this. Okay, there's never a free fall like that. But if there is a fall, you need to ask yourself, what is there to stop the price? This is used. Okay, then there is a demand zone here which can give you 1:2. If you enter here, put a stop loss here. Okay, understand this. If you enter from this 76,650 levels, you need to take the support of this. So 76, almost $77,000, and then you are entering, putting a stop loss at $70,000. 7,000. Do you have are your pockets deep enough to enter this trade? Then enter. If not, then there's no point, because there is nothing. You need to understand the importance of higher time frame. It has been deeply discussed. You know how deeply I've discussed that in the course. So higher time, you have to take the support of higher time frame. Okay. Anyways, I will see how the selling pressure is at that time, and then we'll trade as per my trading setup. Now, why am I saying that it is losing momentum? I, posted something in the morning as well. Why? If you look at the RSI here, this demand zone is an okay demand zone. 1:2, 1:3, good. 1:2 is more than good enough. So it has already given 1:2.78. I've explained it, and I've showed it to you as well. And market is live right now. Okay. And if you look here, there is a bear divergence here at the top. Okay, and then it started losing momentum, then it goes up, does another bear divergence here. So this is daily, And one bear divergence is from, let me show you. Bear divergence does not mean it's going to go down, guys. You need to understand that. So look at the top. I'm hovering my mouse on RSI. Look at the top of the candle on the bar chart here. Okay, candle chart here. So this is the top, and then it loses momentum here. Price is going high, it is losing momentum here. Okay, so this is a bear divergence number one. It comes down from here till here, then it goes up again. So there is a loss of momentum here. There's another bear divergence here. There's a loss of momentum here. Bear divergence does not mean it's gonna go down. This is not, these are overbought levels, but see, it is not going down. It comes down here. Look at the candles also, and then it goes up again. But one thing that has to be noticed here is, now price is going up. Yeah, it is going up, but it is not able to go above this momentum high. Are you getting it? And now there is another divergence here. Look here on the, I'm hovering my mouse here, and look at the candle chart at the top. So this is the momentum high, and look at where the price is. And now it lost momentum here, it lost momentum here, it started going up again. Price is going up, no problem. That is how bear divergences are formed. But look at the momentum, it is losing momentum regularly. I'm going to mark it. So it lost momentum here, and then after that, see, it's not able to go. Look here, let me mark it properly so that you can understand. I'm going to zoom and mark it properly. See, see, it is losing momentum here. Okay, again, look at this high and this high. So this is the top, which I'm taking as a momentum high, and look here, this is the other. So basically what is happening here is, momentum is doing lower highs continuously, though price is going up. It is confusing, I understand. That's why I'm saying that this is this there is a possibility of accumulation distribution. Okay, this is technically, there is a possibility of distribution. Now whenever RSI goes above 80, we are not trading. We should not, we should put our stops very very tight. Now it is coming down. Okay, it created some sort of momentum here. That is why I'm saying it's going to go up again. It's doing momentum here, but the whole point here is, I'm going to make a horizontal line here as well and mark it at 70. This is 80 line. Okay, so all this momentum is happening when momentum is peaking, not peaking out, that would be the wrong word. When it is going above 80, you should be very much careful. Though price is going up and up, it does not matter. Understand that once it goes above 80, your stops should be very much tight. Now it is coming down. Now the thing is, I need, now it has touched 80, I want momentum to break above 70, which I'm sure there would be a problem. Even though price will do 100,000, it should not break above 70. And if it does break, then definitely we should look for the upside. But if it does not, which I'm assuming it will not go above 70, this is the red line, 70. If it does not go above 70, it will be a big problem, because you should see some resistance here. My magnet, you should see some resistance here around 98,000. Okay, and if it breaks it, it breaks it. You can not do anything. But the thing is, your stops should be tight, very much tight here. Okay, you should be trading it with an understanding that, okay, it can catch my stop, because you're long from here. Okay, you're long from, definitely you're long from somewhere here, so you're making money. But now you have to understand that momentum is, going down. It is losing momentum. It needs to go above 70. If not, then we can see a lot of downside. Okay, and this is your resistance right at the top here as well. Okay, so that's pretty much it for Bitcoin. If you did like the analysis, make sure you follow me here on TradingView. My name is the Chartist. You can also follow me on YouTube, X, Instagram, and TikTok. Any doubts, any questions, I'm more than happy to help you. That's my, X account here. Take care. Have a wonderful trading week ahead. Bye bye.